Hi, I'm Jodie from OrCam Technologies. Welcome to the OrCam Learn tutorial. Here I will show you how to operate the device to increase your learning experience. Our most exciting feature is called the Reading Pal. Why is this exciting, you ask? Well, you can actually read to OrCam Learn and receive immediate feedback, like a buddy that helps you improve. To use this feature, simply say, "Hey OrCam, let's read."
Please take a picture of the text. Great, please start reading.
The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way, and then dipped suddenly down. So suddenly that Alice had not a moment to think about stopping herself before she found herself falling down what seemed to be a very deep well.
Well done. You've read 85 out of 85 words correctly. You read very fluently.
The device will also lock in on specific words you had read perfectly or had trouble with and let you know. If you score above 75%, the device will also ask you up to 3 questions to work on your comprehension. As long as you keep practicing reading and focusing on the device's feedback, you could significantly improve your reading abilities. The next step will be to test your reading comprehension. Using highly advanced AI that's at work behind the scenes, the device will ask you questions to gauge your understanding of the text. Please note that to use this feature, you will need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. To use this feature, simply say, "Hey OrCam, ask me," and the device will process the text I read and then ask 3 questions.
Now it's time for some questions. Please point at any word in the sentence that contains the answer to the following questions. Here is the first question. What did Alice wonder when she went down the rabbit hole? Great. What was going to happen next?
This way, not only do you learn how to better read and pronounce words, but also make sure you understand the text you are reading.
We hope you enjoyed the quiz.
The next helpful feature I would like to introduce is reading only one word. Just switch the arrow laser mode by clicking the plus and minus button simultaneously. Then press and hold the round button, and then point the laser arrow at any word, and it will read out loud only that specific word.
Marmalade.
You can also use OrCam Learn to learn the definition of any word you encounter. Say, "Hey OrCam, what does it mean?" and point at a word.
The definition of earnestly is, with sincere and intense conviction.
If you want to hear different definitions of that word, click on the plus or minus buttons. OrCam uses AI to provide definitions in relation to that word in a sentence and will filter out all other definitions. For non-native English speakers, we've developed a super impressive translation option. OrCam Learn can translate any English text, full page or a paragraph, to all supported languages. Say, "Hey OrCam, translate to Spanish."
Please choose the text you want to translate to Spanish. Translating to Spanish. Bien, y quote. Pensó Alicia para sí misma.
The last feature I want to show you is the exam mode, which turns off the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth and is approved for taking into exams. To enter exam mode, scan the exam mode QR code in the web app or mobile app. We recommend printing out the code. Note that you can still use the one-word reader when the device is in exam mode. These features are just the beginning of a learning revolution headed your way, so stay tuned. I think you will continue to be amazed and continue to improve inside and outside of the classroom.